Greetings to all of you traders out there, wherever you are in the world. This AZZAM Karmaya from AFD channel, specialized in analyzing and coding trading strategies to help traders to improve their work. Today I will talk about a scalping strategy that I saw on TradeIQ, and by the way, I saw a few videos on this channel, and I coded the strategies and saw the real results. And it seems that all of them are fake results. But even though, we're gonna go ahead and explain the rules, test it and finally code it, to see if this strategy is actually working. And by the way, if any of you guys has a suggestion about a certain strategy, and wants me to make a code and video about it, then you're more than welcome to leave me a comment with a link about it and I'll check it out and get back to you with another video. So let's start. This strategy includes 3 free trading view indicators. Now let's go ahead and add them to our chart. Trend lines with breaks Lux Algo. We need to change some settings. $200 EMA. Volume. We need to change some settings. Now our strategy is ready, let's go into trading rules. For a long signal to be valid, the price must be above the 200 EMA. Then we need to have a bullish breakout green label. And volume histogram has to be above moving average. Now we can take a long position. Our stop loss must be under the recent lower low. And the risk to reward ratio will be 1.5. And now let's move on to short condition. For a short signal to be valid, the price must be below the 200 EMA. Then we need to have a bearish breakout red label. And volume histogram has to be above moving average. Now we can take a short position. Our stop loss must be above the recent higher high. And the risk to reward ratio will be 1.5. And we're gonna try a few trades.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
Here as we can see there is no bullish breakout green label. But if we make replay there is green label and it lose trade. Now it's time to code it to see if it's actually working and what the win rate is. And we're finally done. I will put a link to this code down below in description and it's completely free. Now, let's see the result. As we can see the win rate is 45%. And net profit is minus 4.9%. And max drawdown is 19.9%. And I wouldn't recommend any of you to use them. It's very risky and I don't think it's okay to share such lousy result with people. And we have many options here. You can use only long or short trades. Use reversal trade. Use stop loss to break even. And you can use different types of stop loss and take profit, like percentage, ATR, higher high lower low, pips, parabolic SAR, or super trend. You can also use max trade per direction. And multiple take profit level. And you can choose a specific time to trade. You can also link this code to a bot like Wunder Trading or 3Commerce or Alert Atron by just copying the bot A order to this panel. If you would like to check and try this strategy by yourself, then I provided the link in the description down below. So if you want to use it but carefully. And this was all. I hope it was helpful for you. If you like the content, hit the subscribe button. Good luck and stay tuned for another video.